Alright. Now, homie, the gate's rolling. I said, homeboy, the gate's rolling. Let's go. Breaker?
Yeah, Waiver. Hey, BBI. Hey, man, you selling all kinds of good around my stack of bricks? Truck in the bluegrass. It's under modulated Cobra 29. Got down, got down.
Don't know the power of the dark side. Oh, we can stay playing here, or we can roll it on up a little bit. It make no difference to me. Let's go on up to the other funny one and see if we can raise some cane. BBI in the corner saying, let's go, truck break.
Truck in the bluegrass, truck CB sales, working his shot load.
Don't know the power of the dark side. Do I need to say anything more?
Hey, BBI. You sending all kinds of good on while you're working that dark side. Technology,
Well, I'll fire down here on the driver. I said I'll fire down here on the driver and I'll put the wave of my friend Truck. Oh, Truck. Your friend in the corner, Mr. BBI himself, got down. Fire down and we'll wipe everybody out. Oh, channel 28. Oh, 28, your friend, Mr. BBI in the northwest corner just got down. Thought I'd come out here and fire down one or two times and say hello, channel 28. I just thought I'd roll it up here and fire down one or two times on channel 28 to put the 5 on everybody. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's. From your friend in the corner. The most dominant station in the northwest corner got down. Don't know the power of the dark side. Now you boys and girls relax, because I'm not changing the tide to ebb and flow the way I do things. I'm going to roll on back down to 6. But I wanted to come up here on 28 and spread the love. BBI in the corner's gone. I'm sorry, I think I just might have keyed on 1, 2, 3, I don't know. Hey, but if you boys hear Mrs. Tijuana Mama, you tell her her younger brother up here in the northwest corner is passing a wave her way. Now I'm going to go eat me some lunch. BBI dominating 28 like it's nothing. I'll see you, boys. And remember, you don't know, you don't know, you don't know. Don't know the power of the dark side. It's just the tip. I'll see you. Bye.
I'm going to sit back and get drunk. Roger on the wife giving money away to firekeepers. Well, if she wants to give money away, she can just give it to me.
Yeah, no doubt about it, man. Yeah, I guarantee that power system you're working now, man, I'm a fan. Sounds great there, 955, that's for sure, man.
That grave digger in the swamp? Hey, grave digger down there in the swamp, 115 in the lake.
Derail.
Wow, here we go.
I say derail.
Oh, joy.
Yeah, there he is, Ray. Damn cute. That's right. 131 Mustang, you got the power? Get ready. That's right. Get ready.
Hey, top of the afternoon. Right back, 000.
She down there.
Mustang radio just come in there and took sole control of my radio. Take care, 955. Mustang has got sole control.
Hey, derail.
My God. When did we move 28 to the Super Bowl?
Hey, derail.
Golly, 955, BBI, Mustang. Woo! Boy, we gonna have some fighting now. Derail sitting there playing the old jukebox. So, 000, Charlie 1, Charlie Brown waving. And I tried rolling that nickel, Charlie Brown. I'm stepping out.
55 truck in the bluegrass on this undermodulated Cobra and this shockwave ground plate break. That's right, key down the watts. If you're gonna do it right. Go ahead. Key down the watts as I'm rocking this BMK. Key down the watts. Oh yeah, key down them BMK watts. That's what I'm doing. I'm keying down.
Well, it was hard for me to tell who to smack the mic down and talk to. BB, I always come up here from the northwest. 955 had a hammer in Texas. But hey, 131, I think you took sole control of my radio. Hey, 131, I'll do it right back. 131, derail in Georgia on the mail.
Okay. And I'm keying down those watts.
Yeah, no doubt, man. It's been kind of hit and miss for us to get a little bit of conditions together, man. I keep missing you in there, and, well, I'm sure it's 131, not much for me. I hope you and the family had a Merry Christmas.
923, Central Alabama.
123 is being long-winded. 131, what you waiting on?
kids play way different up here, I gotta tell you. I've just been sitting here sandbagging as I've been eating some lunch. Man, you kids play way different up here. That's all I gotta say. BBI in the corner reading the mail.
BBI is trying to squeeze over here. I got a Watergate roller, man. I'll talk to my radio over here in Georgia. BBI. 131's got full control of my radio, man, but I don't know if you can move them. Hey, 131, I'm looking right back at you.
If I can move him or if I can't derail, it don't matter, no difference to me. I'm just sitting here transmitting. Anyhow, I'm rolling on back down to the bowl. I just been sitting here with the gate rolling for a couple minutes to kind of test the flavor of the band. Man, you kids sure play differently up here, that's all I gotta say. Hey, derail, have fun. And truck out there in the grass, I know you can hear me putting you 40 plus in the corner. You guys have a good afternoon. I'm going back to the bowl. BBI in the northwest corner gone.
Boy, he is mixing in there with derail in Georgia. Look at
Panthers, man, but that ain't no excitement in there. Same old, same old. Still 10-8 straight over here looking at this great big old tall monster. Take care, BBI in the northwest corner, Billy Bob, downtown racehorse country. Break up, break up.
Right on, Billy Bob. I fired up the gate. I'll make sure to put it on www.youtube.bbivvideogates.com. Put it up on Facebook. I got a gear to you, brother. And go ahead, say your old piece upon the radio to the whole world, because you're going to go out on Facebook tonight, too. Billy Bob, your friend in the corner, Mr. BBI, got down.
similar voice on the radio, man. I just have one thing out here in the garage, man. And what do I hear? I hear that BBI in the northwest corner. Hello, BBI. Derail in Georgia, waving.
Knew that. You said you was talking.
Here's my buddy Derail. Oh, Derail. Hey, buddy, I'm not going to stay up here for too long. I just want to come up here and bump it down. I was yelling for my buddy Truck and your buddy Truck CB Sales, you know. But hello, Derail. I'll put it on you this way.
Don't know the power of the dark side.
And Derail, this time around, I guarantee you the gate will make it up to YouTube and on Facebook. Derail, your friend BBI in the corner with a wave right back.
But you rolling in and rolling in and nobody but Derail in Georgia.
Well, Derail, I'll put it on the 28 Good Time Gang channel too, no problem at all. You know me, I'm pretty flexible. I'll put it anywhere you'd like, brother. I'll throw it in there too, but I'm also going to put it on BBI Video Gates. Well, Derail, do your thing. I'm going to go eat me some lunch. Me and Truck are just over here playing. I thought I'd roll up on 28 and see if I could move conditions just a little bit, and I think I did. And remember, if you guys talk to Tijuana Mama, you tell her I said hello. BBI in the corners, back out 10-7. I'll see you, boys. Click, click. Keep doing your thing. Because remember, we're all on the radio together, and I'm gone.
Don't know the power of the dark side.
The yard bird down here around Manchester, BBI in the northwest corner, my Derail out there.
I said, hello, Mr. Youngblood. I said, hello, Mr. Yardbird. Alright, I'm going to cut this gate off. I'm going to go eat me some lunch and get back on the 21. The most dominant station in the entire northwest corner of the United States right here just got down. I said, I'll see you, Yardbird. Mr. Youngblood, my friend. I said, I'll see you, derail. Your friend in the corner's 10-7. Bump, bump. Behold the power of a true dead mall. I'll see you, bye.